how to convert Canva website to Shopify. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's talk about how we will be able to have our Canva website be integrated into our Shopify over here. So first things first, let's get a design from our Canva over here. So let's check out the different amazing templates available in Canva here. So let's check out some very simple one over here. So let's select website over here as our options. So let's go with something professional. So where is it? There we go. Let's go with something very professional. Let's say something like this. And then let's click on apply to all 7 pages or apply all 7 pages. And there we go. We have our website over here. So now what we could do is now we could modify our images, rearrange some stuff over here. But let's say this is our website that we want to convert into our Shopify store. So you could add all kinds of elements in Canva. By the way, you have so many creative things that you will be able to do in Canva. But let's say you are now able, or you now finished creating your design here. Let's go to our Shopify store over here. So we want our Canva website over here to be applicable or be applied in our Shopify here. Although what I would recommend as well is that you ensure that of course your website here is built or made to look like an e-commerce or have some e-commerce elements at least. So this one is more on a portfolio rather than e-commerce, so anyway, let's go back here to our Shopify. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on our apps over here on the left side, and we're going to click on all recommended apps. Now over here, of course, you're not going to see the apps that you need right away for this section. So what we're going to do is we're going to select our Shopify app store over here, which will redirect us, of course. Now the Shopify app store contains all kinds of apps. Depending on your needs, you could improve your experience, have extra features, and so on and so forth. It's amazing. This is one of the favorite features I have for Shopify because we could integrate all kinds of platforms such as, of course, Canva. So if you click on Canva over here or search for Canva, we should be able to find our Canva option over here that would allow us to convert our Canva design. So I think this one is what we're looking for. So this one is build Shopify landing page with Canva simplicity. So we will be able to easily convert our Canva over here, but this one is paid. So let me look for another option over here that we could utilize. So we have auto-sync Canva integration, find and use your product images in Canva, Canva page builder, which is our option over here, which is Canvify. And let's look here. What else do we have? So I think Canvify is the one that we're going to go with. So it is $9.99 per month. And there is a free trial at least. So what we could do is we could install this. And we should be able to easily connect it with our Canva over here. So we could easily, if we check out its description, as you can see, we will be able to keep the simplicity you love about Canva and build your landing pages there. You could create mobile-friendly pages, work with any theme, and there's no code required at all, as you can see. So it's very simple, very straightforward, hopefully. So going here, let's click on install. So let's give it a few moments over here. Going back here, so for the premium, which is $10 per month, we will be able to get unlimited pages. There will be no branding. There will be unlimited page views, collection of premium Canva templates, so on and so forth. It has a really great overall rating over here, 59, 5 stars. Anyway, let's go back here. Let's wait for our Canvify to load up here. So let me get back to you guys when it finishes loaded, and we'll prepare for the next step. And there we go. As you can see, I have subscribed for the free version or like the free trial version. So as you can see right now, Canvify, we have 0 total pages. So let's simply click on import new page over here. So we could browse directly inside our template over here, or we could design our Canva page over here. Design your page in Canva, export it as a website link, and then we're going to simply paste it over here. So since I created, or I did this part over here. So let's simply publish it and let's do it that way. And then later on, if we have time, we could check it out as well. Anyway, over here, publish website, preparing our design. So let's give it a few moments over here. So like you saw, it's very straightforward. You could either go with choosing your own templates from Canva. And then if you already created your link, you could just simply copy and paste it over here. But anyway, where is it? There we go. Let's wait for this to fully publish. There we go. So we're going to copy this and paste it over here. So let's give it a title. Let's say store for now. Just a trial. Then you could hide Shopify header, or you could even hide Shopify footer over here. Then simply click on import. And we should be able to import our stuff here. So as you can see, currently importing with our title here. Super simple. This one should be enabled over here. So let's give it some time. It should finish up very quickly. See, as you can see here on the top, it's loading. Anyway, I'll get back to you guys when this finished importing. I'm assuming it takes a while. Oh, there we go, as you can see. So now you can add it to your home page anywhere you can see. So let's click on view page. So it's now a dedicated page that was added. A separate page, supposedly, from our main pages over here. So let's see if it was able to apply it perfectly. As you can see, it's very perfect. It's the exact same design. As you can see, it's exactly here. So you could create your blogs, you could create your self page, about me, stuff like that. You could create anything that you want to do in Canva. Something that I would recommend that you guys do is to create like a product overview or like a product showcase, because you have a lot of creativity in Canva, and a product showcase is something definitely you could easily create. So I recommend that you do something similar to that. And then there's no limit, just like what we saw earlier. There's no limit to how many pages you want to import. So you could import as many pages as you want. It's really cool. And as you can see here, we have our stuff here. So if you want to import the other one, or like the other method where you choose a template here, you can see we click on browse template, or we could even check Canva's own website template. So there's templates from Canvify. So they have their own templates available for you here to choose from. And of course, you have your Canva templates to choose from as well over here inside of Canva. So you have two sources of designs that you could choose from, which is really great. So over here, same thing that we saw earlier, just in a enlarged view. We have here our Canva templates, and then over here we have Canvify's template. So that's basically it, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.